everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and this is what we can expect on Gomora these coming weeks. Pretty received an opportunity to move to the US with her dream man. Ntokozo is uneasy about his mother Gladys and Nkosinathe's budding relationship, and Sbongile sides with Mr. Lebalo in court. Things get awkward when Ntokozo questions Gladys about her love life. Tati gives Mazette the cold shoulder, and Sbongile is a mixture of emotion before her cross-examination. A guilty-ridden Mam Sonto considers returning her inheritance. Mazette clashes with Tati after the lawyer read Pumlani's will, and Sbongile refuses to turn against Mr. Lebalo. Mam Sonto revealed during their disagreement that Tati is pregnant. Ntokozo gives Nkosinathi a warning about hurting his mom, and Sbongile is conflicted about making amends with Mr. Lebalo. Gugu goes to extreme to avoid returning to KwaZulu-Natal. Teddy is on a mission to get a better job to provide a luxurious life for Sbongile, and Gladys re-examine her relationship with Nkosinathi following his conversation with Ntokozo. Sbongile receives a gift from Mr. Lebalo. Tati is worried when she doesn't hear from Gugu, and Nkosinathi feels Gladys pulling back from their relationship. Tati learns shocking news about Gugu. Sbongile regrets accepting a gift from Mr. Lebalo, and Gladys' fears get the better of her, and she shuts Nkosinathi out of her life for good. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.